Picture this, you're sitting down to a cozy bowl of oatmeal, ultimate healthy way to kick off your day. We've all heard the hype. Oatmeal is a nutritional rock star brimming with fiber and the promise of keeping you energized for hours. But here's the kicker. If you're not preparing or eating your oatmeal the right way, you might be shortchanging its benefits or even setting yourself up for some unexpected health hiccups. Every morning, countless people make tiny missteps, thinking they're doing their body a favor when they could actually be messing with their digestion, energy, or long-term wellness. No need to panic, though. This isn't about ditching your go to breakfast. I'm going to walk you through 7 easy mistakes that could be dimming oatmeal's shine, paired with straightforward, science-backed fixes to make every spoonful count. These tips are designed to be simple, approachable, and perfect for anyone looking to level up their morning routine. Plus, I'm saving the sneakiest, most overlooked mistake for last. It's a game changer that could be quietly impacting your health in ways you'd never suspect. Want to know what it is? Stay with me to the end and let's unlock the secrets to making your oatmeal a true health hero. First up, let's tackle a trap that's all too easy to fall into: grabbing those handy instant oatmeal packets. They're marketed as a quick, wholesome breakfast, perfect for busy mornings when you're racing against the clock. But here's the problem. These pre-packaged options are often packed with added sugars, artificial flavorings, and preservatives that rob oats of their natural goodness. All that sugar doesn't just pile on empty calories. It can send your blood sugar soaring, only to crash soon after, leaving you foggy, hungry, and reaching for a snack way too early. Science tells us that frequent blood sugar spikes, especially in the morning, can strain your metabolism and even raise the risk of issues like insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes over time. The fix? Skip the instant stuff and go for whole oats, like old-fashioned rolled oats or steel-cut oats. Yes, they take a few extra minutes to cook, but they're minimally processed, keeping their fiber and nutrients intact to deliver steady energy. For flavor, add fresh fruits like chopped apples, raspberries, or a handful of blueberries, natural sweeteners that bring vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber to the party. A dash of nutmeg or a tiny drizzle of pure maple syrup can also make your bowl delicious without the sugar overload. This simple switch puts you in charge of your breakfast, ensuring it fuels your body instead of throwing it off balance. Now, let's dive into a step that's often skipped, but can make a huge difference: giving your oats a good soak before you cook or eat them. Oats contain something called phytic acid, a natural compound found in grains and seeds. In small doses, it's harmless, but phytic acid can latch onto key minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium in your gut, blocking your body from absorbing them fully. This means you might not be getting the full nutritional bang from your oats, even if you're eating them regularly. Those minerals are vital for everything from strong bones to a healthy immune system to keeping your energy levels up. Plus, for some folks, unsoaked oats can lead to bloating or tummy troubles, and you might not even realize your breakfast is to blame. The solution is super easy. Soak your oats in water or a plant-based milk like cashew or soy milk for 6 to 8 hours, ideally overnight. Toss in a splash of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice to help break down the phytic acid even more, making the oats gentler on your stomach and easier to digest. Come morning, rinse them well, cook as usual, and enjoy a smoother texture and a lighter feel after eating. This small tweak can help your body soak up more nutrients and make your oatmeal easier to love. Another common slip-up is thinking a bowl of oatmeal alone is enough to carry you through the morning. Oats are loaded with fiber and complex carbs, which are great for slow burning energy, but without some protein or healthy fats, your breakfast might not have the staying power you need. Eating just oats with a bit of fruit or sweetener means your body burns through those carbs pretty fast, which can lead to a blood sugar dip that leaves you hungry or low on energy before lunch. Research shows that pairing carbs with protein and fats slows digestion, keeps blood sugar steady, and helps you feel satisfied longer. Protein supports muscle health, while healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble nutrients in oats like vitamin E and provide long-lasting fuel. To turn your oatmeal into a well-rounded meal, try mixing in a dollop of Greek yogurt or a splash of protein, rich hemp milk for a protein boost. You could also add a side of scrambled egg whites or sprinkle in some chopped pecans or almonds. For healthy fats, try a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or even a few slices of avocado for a creamy twist. These additions make your breakfast more filling and nutrient-dense, keeping you powered up and focused for hours. Let's move on to a cooking habit that might seem like no big deal, but can cause some issues: cooking your oats in milk instead of water. Lots of people love the creamy texture milk gives oatmeal, but this choice can sometimes do more harm than good. Oats have a protein called avenin, and when it mixes with the casein in dairy milk, it can be tough for some people to digest, leading to bloating, a heavy feeling, or mild stomach discomfort. You might be eating oatmeal and wondering why you feel off without connecting it to how you cooked it. Plus, milk's high calcium content, while beneficial, can compete with the iron in oats for absorption in your body, meaning you might miss out on some of that iron, which is crucial for energy and preventing fatigue. To keep your oatmeal easy on your gut and nutrient-friendly, cook it in water first, then stir in a small amount of milk, dairy or plant-based like almond or oat milk, after it's done for that creamy texture. You can boost the flavor with a pinch of vanilla, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a spoonful of almond butter once it's cooked. This method keeps your breakfast gentle on your stomach and ensures you're getting the most out of the oats nutrients, making it both tasty and smart. Here's another mistake that's easy to overlook: not pairing your oatmeal with foods that pack a vitamin C punch. Oats contain non-heme iron, the kind found in plant foods, which your body doesn't absorb as easily as the iron from meat. Without the right helpers, a lot of that iron can slip through your system unused, which could leave you feeling tired, foggy, or even weaken your immune system over time. Iron is critical for carrying oxygen in your blood and keeping your energy steady, so you want to make sure you're getting as much of it as possible. Vitamin C is like a superpower for non-heme iron. It transforms it into a form your body can absorb more easily. Adding vitamin C-rich foods to your oatmeal not only boosts its nutritional value, but also brings in antioxidants that fight inflammation and support your overall health. Try topping your bowl with fresh slices of orange, a handful of blackberries, a chopped kiwi, or even a drizzle of lemon juice for a zesty kick. These additions add bright flavor, natural sweetness, and a health boost that makes your breakfast work smarter for you. Next time you're putting together your morning oats, toss in some vitamin C-packed fruit to maximize the iron and elevate your meal. Now, let's talk about a pitfall that can turn your healthy oatmeal into something more like dessert, overloading it with sweeteners or less than healthy toppings. It's easy to get carried away drizzling on extra honey, maple syrup, or even sprinkling store-bought granola or chocolate chips to make your bowl more exciting. But piling on these extras can spike the sugar content, turning a wholesome meal into something that messes with your energy and health. Too much sugar, even from natural sources, can raise the glycemic index of your oatmeal, leading to fast blood sugar spikes and crashes that leave you feeling drained, craving snacks, or even foggy-headed. Studies show that a high sugar start to the day can disrupt your metabolism, promote inflammation, and over time, increase the risk of insulin resistance. Store-bought toppings like flavored granola or sugary nuts often hide extra sugars, unhealthy fats, or additives that can quietly work against your health goals. Instead, keep things clean and natural by sweetening your oats with fruits like a sliced peach, a handful of cherries, or a grated pear, which bring fiber and antioxidants along with their sweetness. Add flavor with spices like cardamom, ginger, or unsweetened cocoa powder. No calories, just taste. For toppings, go for nutrient-rich options like crushed hazelnuts, pumpkin seeds, or a sprinkle of unsweetened shredded coconut. These choices keep your oatmeal delicious, satisfying, and in line with your body's needs. Last but not least, let's address the mistake that often flies under the radar: not adjusting your oatmeal portion to fit your unique needs. Oatmeal is a nutrient-packed food, but one size doesn't fit all when it comes to how much you should eat. Your portion should depend on your activity level, metabolism, and health goals. If you're not very active or trying to keep your calorie intake in check, a big bowl of oatmeal could add more carbs than your body needs, potentially leading to blood sugar swings or slow weight gain over time. On the flip side, if you're super active, maybe you're running, lifting weights, or have a demanding job, a tiny portion might not give you enough fuel, leaving you tired or underpowered for the day. Science backs this up. Your energy needs vary based on your lifestyle, and eating the right amount ensures you're supporting your body without overdoing it. A good starting point is about 40 to 50 grams of dry oats, roughly half to 3/4 of a cup, which gives you a solid dose of carbs and fiber. If you're managing your weight or less active, stick to the smaller side and pair it with protein and fats to stay full. If you're highly active, you might bump up the portion a bit and add nutrient-dense toppings to meet your energy demands. Pay attention to how your body feels after eating. Are you energized for hours or hungry too soon? By tuning into your needs and adjusting your portion, you make sure oatmeal is working for you, whether your goal is steady energy, weight management, or feeling your best. With these 7 fixes in your toolbox, you're ready to turn your oatmeal into a breakfast that doesn't just taste amazing, but truly powers your day. By choosing whole oats over sugary packets, soaking them for better digestion, adding protein and healthy fats, cooking with water instead of milk, pairing with vitamin C-rich foods, keeping toppings wholesome, and customizing your portion, you're unlocking the full potential of this incredible grain. These small changes can lead to better digestion, more consistent energy, improved nutrient absorption, and even long-term perks like a healthier metabolism and stronger immunity. Oatmeal isn't just a meal, it's an opportunity to fuel your body and set the tone for your day. So, the next time you're stirring up a bowl, think about these tweaks and how they can make your mornings brighter. Your body will feel the difference today and in the years ahead. How do you like to make your oatmeal shine? And are you ready to try these tips? Drop your thoughts below and let's spark some inspiration for a healthier, happier breakfast.